Hello, this is Decimal and welcome to Synth News. Today I want to talk about tape. It is a pocket audio sketchbook that is compact, battery powered. It has a 4-track stereo recorder and asynchronous looper. It features 4 asynchronous tape heads modeled after cassette and reel-to-reel machines. It can also be used to record tracks. You can also use it to mangle some sounds. It can record up to 45 minutes per file at full speed, and it can hold up to 30 files. You can record via line-in or high-fidelity stereo microphones, dry or wet signal. You can also bounce your recordings to a neighboring tape head. At this moment, audio over USB-C is still a work in progress, says the company. There is also endless overdubbing. The unit also has effects that you can configure in a sort of modular style, so you could stack them and manipulate them. You can add LFOs to them, and this is a really interesting feature that I see here. It sort of reminds me of the Poly Effects Digi-Bebo pedal a little bit. There are individual effects sends for each tape head and adjustable feedback for emulating the delay line. When it comes to looping, you can synchronize the tape heads, rewind, scroll, and catch. When it comes to this device, I really like the way you can change the speed on the fly. When it comes to availability, there's going to be a Kickstarter available soon in December of 2024. No word on pricing yet. What do you guys think of tape? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.